Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today we will have a little bit different video. We got here some kind of hybrid with owner who is subscriber, and he has a story to tell which he thinks it's important to know and share between the Toyota owners.
Hey everyone, I'm Daniel. This is my 2007 Toyota Camry Hybrid, and we bought the car used with about 90,000 miles on it. And so in March of 2019, when the car had about 148,247, we had a check engine light came on, and it said we had a dead hybrid battery pack. So we went to the dealership, and they quoted us around $5,000 or $6,000. We decided to have an aftermarket battery put in. So we had a DORMAN hybrid battery pack. It cost us $2,953 to have this DORMAN put in. The car currently has 193,996, so we've put about 45,000 miles on this hybrid battery pack, and it's been about two years now. No, 3 years. So the original battery pack died. We had a DORMAN put in. When we had the first DORMAN put in, it failed after about a month or two.
That's what you want to share.
Yeah,
all right.
So we went back to the place, and of course it was still under warranty, so we had to have them put another DORMAN back in, but that time it worked. So we're chugging along, and it's still working great for us. So we saved maybe about $2,000 to $3,000.
So was it roughly half price of the Toyota quote?
About half the price, but a little bit of extra trouble because we had to take it back for the replacement. But so far, so good. So I wanted to share with everyone my experience with using an aftermarket battery pack.
Yeah, normally we will assume we will put only Toyota, right? But there is a chance to use another one.
Yeah, and so, well, thank you, Peter, for helping me make this little video today, and thank you for all your great work, and keep up your great channel.
Well,
thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Daniel.